Good morning, my name is Leigh, and I recently graduated from the University of Queensland with a Bachelor of Engineering Honours degree majoring in Mechanical Engineering. I have a great deal of passion for the mechanical engineering industry and hope to channel this passion throughout my career. I want to channel my passion for engineering and design into a career path, hence why I chose engineering. I also thoroughly enjoy the engineering process of defining and then researching a problem, developing and selecting an appropriate solution, the prototyping, the testing phase, and evaluating, concluding, communicating outcomes of the project. I also find that engineering allows you to use creativity every day, which is very rare in most occupations. Engineering also has opportunities to improve the world, and I hope to positively influence people's lives, whether that can be enhancing vehicle comfort or improving fuel efficiency. When comparing myself to fellow graduate engineers, I tend to find that I have a very creative mind and never seem to run out of ideas. I'm also very sociable, I can communicate my ideas very well, I work extremely well in a team environment, which I actually think is a rare characteristic to find in modern graduate engineers. I think having fluent team involvement and communication throughout the entire engineering process can greatly improve the outcome of the project. I also have a very practical mindset. I was surprised to find that a large number of my colleagues had never used hand tools or drills or any other tools. I also consider my passion for design engineering to be a large standout factor. I cannot express how passionate I am for engineering design. I've always had a keen interest in every engineering project I've ever undertaken. I find that in an engineering project, I get very excited about the visualization of the final product during the brainstorming/idea stage. I also love negotiating ideas with fellow students, as it usually opens up doorways to more ideas. I love state-of-the-art developments in technology, in engineering. I love discovering them. I also enjoy sketching, using CAD software, and finite element modeling. I also get really excited about every aspect of designing, engineering, and testing vehicles, whether it be trucks, aircraft, trains, machinery. It all really excites me. Ever since I was a child, I've wanted to be an engineer, having played with many toys, car toys, trains, trucks, as well as Lego. The turning point to confirming that I wanted to become a mechanical engineer resulted from the combination of riding, racing, maintaining and modifying motorcycles since the age of 12. My passion for mechanical engineering was further enhanced from owning and rebuilding my first car, a 1972 Holden HQ, at the age of 16. I demonstrate my love for engineering by living engineering day after day through modifying and designing components of my car and motorcycle to just tinkering in the garage for hours on end. I also keep a keen eye on the broad engineering industry, hoping to see new technology and developments that I find fascinating. I also follow a number of leading engineers around the world, hoping to gain some inspiration and develop professional techniques. Take Elon Musk, for example, with his development in the Model 3 Tesla, as well as the re-landing rocket. I find that fascinating. I'm also a keen follower of Formula One and keep a keen eye on developments and on technology and specification and regulations as well. I've also demonstrated and shared my love for engineering in the past by being voted in as the Vice President of the Engineering Undergraduate Society of the University of Queensland, which involved organising and developing multiple social and networking events. It was a very social position. Most recently, however, I demonstrated my passion through my university design thesis, which involves researching, brainstorming, and developing and conversing with the client and evaluating a $500,000 show car interior. And I never saw any moment of that thesis as dull. It was certainly not an ordeal, and I definitely loved every minute of it. I hope I am a suitable graduate for this opportunity, and I'd like to thank you for your time.